Hello and welcome back to a brand new Project 46 video. Today I'll show you how to replace both oxygen sensors on your pre-facelift e46, 316 or 318i. In my case I had fault codes appearing and the engine wasn't idling smoothly. So in an attempt to resolve these issues I decided to replace both oxygen sensors. This is the first sensor before the catalytic converter, and this is your second sensor after the catalytic converter. And now let's remove both of the old sensors using a 22mm wrench. In my case the sensors were really easy to remove, but if they are seized you might want to use some penetrating oil before trying to remove them. The rear sensor was a bit harder to unfasten, because one of the reinforcement plates was in the way, so I had to remove it. I also removed the plastic cable molding for cleaning. Now let's unplug the connectors. Now twist the sensors out. Make sure to compare the old sensors with the new ones. In this case, BOSH is the OE manufacturer. As you can see, these sensors come with pre-applied anti-seize. After having made sure that the new sensors are similar to the old ones and have a coating of anti-seize, you can start installing them on the car. And now it's just a case of twisting the new sensors into the exhaust, plugging the new sensors in and routing the cables correctly. After a short test drive, we can check again for error codes, and in my case no fault codes came back. That means that the new sensors work correctly. Until next time, this has been Project 46. Goodbye!